All right, so here's what you need to know for today. Quite literally a freezing cold start. Temperatures at 32 degrees here in Toledo right now, and that does equal our coldest morning of autumn so far. The next couple of hours could bring us down a couple of more degrees, and the next couple of days will likely start just as cold as this. So let's show you where we're at right now. Obviously 32 degrees right now in Toledo. It is still being buoyed temperatures by lake water temperatures that are in the low 50s here, but we've dropped 2 degrees. We're down to 53 degrees on our lake area water temperature. Started this week, it was at 55. So you can see how these cold mornings really play a role, but it's helping keep temperatures at 40 in Marblehead, 34 in Port Clinton, but you get away from the lake, it's 33 right now being reported in Fremont. In fact, just updated to 32 degrees there. We've got 33 in Gibsonburg and Woodville, and let's shoot you down here towards Seneca County, where you can tell temperatures as you get just a couple of miles further away from the lakeshore. It does make a difference. It's now 31 in Republic, 31 in Bloomville, and 31 in New Regal. And speaking of lake, how about some lake effect? Snow for the first time this season, talking about it coming off of Lake Erie, parts of northern Pennsylvania, western New York, and over there into Ontario, dealing with some snowfall and winter weather advisories for the first time this season. Of course, we are on the dry side of Lake Erie, as is often the case for lake effect. So we're going to focus in here on the temperatures today, which will likely peak somewhere in the mid 40s. Overnight tonight, you can tell we're quickly going to fall back down into the 30s. So it's going to be a chilly one for tonight. And tomorrow, more of the same. High temperatures in the 40s, relatively dry conditions. And at times, you'll get that sunshine early in the day. Clouds will build back in later on. So my extended forecast here keeps us quiet and dry. We're up to 50 degrees now for a high temperature on Friday, and I think this weekend is looking real good for us here, right at about an average high, which is mid 50s. So between Saturday and Sunday, we'll call this one a mild weekend, and still looking like many days next week does at least feature a chance for high temperatures to get within a couple of degrees of 60, so much more mild than what we're talking about for this week.